Trade is disabled. What does this mean? Why would a broker say trade is disabled when you try to place a trade on a particular instrument? You're welcome. My name is Tolu Olatunji of CSA Forex, and we're here to look at the trade is disabled error message. Now, if you look at the currency pair in question, this is the USD RUB. I repeat, this here is the USD RUB, and I'm sure you have been paying attention for a while with respect to what is happening to Russia and Ukraine. Yes, the war, the geopolitical unrest in that region. Now, with respect to that, the Russian ruble as a currency is extremely weak against the US dollar. And that's why we can see over here that the trend is an up one, and it's very strong. Now, brokers will give that trade is disabled not to prevent you. Now, listen to this. They're doing this not to prevent you from making money. No. But rather, on the contrary, they're doing it to prevent you from heavy losses. Because of the volatility that has been introduced to the market at this point in time, some things will be happening. The spread is going to increase. You're going to have whipsaws. These are things that could easily happen in the market. You could easily have gaps, as you can see over here as well. Now, when these things happen, even if you use a stop loss, it's even very possible for you to have bigger losses. I repeat, it's possible for you to have bigger losses up to the point where if peradventure you end up losing your entire funds, it could end up being a case of you might have a minus $10 or minus $50, minus $100, or whatever the case might be. Now, what do you think will happen with respect to the negative that you see on your account? The broker is going to have to reset that to zero. There is what is known as the negative balance correction. Now, when that is set back to zero, the broker is going to incur the losses that you have made. That means that, yes, indeed, this can also affect the brokers as well. So the brokers are trying to protect you, the trader, and of course also trying to protect themselves as well. That's why if you look over here, if I try to click on buy or whatever the case might be on this USD RUB, it says what trade is disabled. Whether you're trying to click on buy or click on sell, it's telling you trade is disabled, meaning that you cannot place trades as of now because of the high volatility that has been introduced to the market. I hope you understand what we have just said now. This is to protect you majorly. So if you find the broker that is doing this, then that is actually a good broker to make use of. I repeat, that is actually a good broker to make use of, because that broker is majorly about protection. They want to protect you, and they also want to protect themselves. Now, from what we just talked about now, if you want to know how to trade the market the proper way, how to understand the market with respect to the war that is happening between Russia and Ukraine, with respect to inflation, even how the COVID-19 has been affecting the market, because these three major things are the things that are the highlights for this year 2022 as of now. So if you want to learn more, there is a link in the description for a free live training. I repeat, there's a link in the description for a free live training that you can watch and then of course ask questions live. And then there's another link also that you can watch at your convenient time that would help you to understand the market better, and then of course you can ask questions much later. So if this video was helpful, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, let people be aware about the free training, let them come on board and learn, ask questions with respect to the market, and of course what's happening out there and how to take advantage. Yes, the main reason why you are here is because of money. We all want to make money from the business, so we're all going to learn how to take advantage of what's happening in the market and what's happening in the world as of now. So I want to say thank you for tuning in, and of course if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and of course give it a thumbs up. Thank you everybody, goodbye and God bless.